Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how if the invoice amount is more than the PO, the system will put a block on this R block. So how to remove this R block? So scenario is like if you have a PO of $100 and your tolerance is let's say in my company is 20% or $25, whichever is less. So any amount which is more than 120, system will block it. So we'll first enter invoice and then match the invoice. First we enter the PO of $100 and then we try to enter the invoice of 150. System should block the payment, and we have to remove this thing. How to remove unblock the things? Let's see. There are different scenarios. Either first we try to remove it. If the block is removed, we can make the payment. If still block is there, then we have to add funds in a PO. Means that you have to revise the PO. So we start to enter some PO, ME21N. Enter any PO, like we take the example of our previous PO. So this is okay. So I have to find from here. Yeah, it is there. So it is there. You just click to make a blank PO. Just put in the cart. It will copy the PO. So 100, 1 times 100 is 100. You can see the total is 100 as well. So this is our PO. Just change the delivery, check the delivery date should be current or the future one. So it is alright. So everything is fine. So it's ending with 958. I will just copy this thing. It will help us in the future. 958. Okay. So now I will release this thing and ME29N. Find your PO. Release this thing. One, you can check this one is everything is this. Save it. Now release. Now do the migo /nmigo. Good receipt. Put your PO. Find your PO. Select this. Check. Post. Done. Now /n. Go to Miro. Select invoice. Today's date. Put some reference. Find your PO. Outstanding is open item is 100. So now try it with 200. So what is the message? Price too high, tolerance limit is 25. I told you that we have a tolerance of 20% or 25, whichever is higher. So just check the status. It's free for payment. Free for payment. Let's see what will happen. Free for payment. The system should not do this. Free for payment. Let's 200. Try to save it. See, document number created, block for payment. So it is blocked. Copy this, ending with 638. Copy this thing just for your reference. Put it there. Go back if you want to check it. So /nmigo. Go here, display. The last one will come here. This is the document generated in Miro. Display joker. So invoice verification. This is R block. It is blocked. So let's see how to remove this block. Go to /n MRBR MRBR. Invoice document is this fiscal block release manually. So nothing is coming. So this is the document we have. So select this flag, click the flag button, save it. Invoice released. So go back to myro /nmiro, find your document. This is the document, display document, invoice verification, still there, document is there. So now now what else we can do to remove this? So we have to add the PO value, and we should have to make 200. So go to /me21n, find your PO. So PO is ending with 958. Select the change button, make it 200. Condition, just double check it's 200. Good. Now do you want to save process? So we have to release again. It is changed, and see, release, we have to do the release again. So /me29n, $958.58. Save it. Go to Miko. Let's see, Miko is a coordinator /MIGR. So 958 is our PO. So nothing is, because the quantity is one, quantity is not changed, only the value is changed. So it's mean in my row. Let's see, put today's date, put reference number, put spacebar, it will bring the, enter it, 200 is there. So free for payment, see, so you have to add funds in PO, then so sometimes when there's no amount problem, then you can use this MRBR if there is some other blockage. But when there is a fund, you have to add the funds in the PO, revise it, and come back. So just put the quantity you receive, whole amount. $200. Oh, still couldn't message 200. What happened? Free for payment. What is remaining? Oh, I have to put here 200. Sorry. Cash is only maybe granted up to 5%. Okay. Yeah, wrong. Quantity greater than the receipt. Quantity invoice greater than the goods receipt. Quantity is same. 1. Everything looks fine. Let's see why it is. it is again showing the block item. So the document number is ending with 39. Copy this thing, go to /n MRBR, put your invoice number here, let's see it. Invoices release /n MIRO 39, yes. Free for payment. Yeah, it is free for payment now. So it is available for payment. Now AP can make the payment with the F110 or whatever. So this is how you unblock the things. There are different ways. It's depend on what is the problem which block the things. So sometimes you have to increase the amount of the PO to remove the block, or simply just go to MRBR. So and thank you for watching the video, and I'll come with new video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me. I'm just like a student like you, so I'm learning and sharing with all the knowledge which I can. Thank you so much. Meet you until next video. Bye bye.